right now. And we have new developments today in the case of a former Norwalk City official accused of killing her tenant in January over an eviction dispute. Ellen Wink will be getting out on bond. News 12 Connecticut's Marissa Alter reports on what changed to allow for her release.
Ellen Wink has been in custody, unable to post bond for more than 7 months. When she gets out, she'll essentially be on house arrest. In court, her attorney said she won't return to her former home. Instead, she'll live here, the house where she's accused of killing Kurt Lametta.
Ellen Wink appeared virtually from York Correctional Institution, held on a $2.5 million bond. Judge Gary White previously denied a motion to reduce that number. This time, Wink's attorney asked the judge to sign off on Wink posting a 10% cash bond, $250,000.
Miss Wink had to sell property to generate those funds, place those funds in trust, and those funds are ready for the court clerk at any time the order is granted.
The state objected to the request, calling Wink a threat to the public. She's charged with the murder of Kurt Lametta inside the home she owns at 16 Nelson Avenue, where Lametta rented a room. Court documents show Wink told police she shot Lametta several times after he came at her. But the state has said graphic video evidence contradicts this was self-defense. Supervisory Assistant State's Attorney Michelle Manning previously told the court Lametta was secretly recording with his phone when he was killed.
If Your Honor is going to allow her to post the 10% cash bond, I would ask for significant non-financial conditions of release, including house arrest, GPS, IPS, everything that you can think of to protect the community from Miss Wink, who the state considers a very dangerous individual.
The judge granted the defense's motion, but with the state's conditions. Wink will only be allowed to leave the house for court hearings, meetings with her attorney, medical appointments, and religious services.
If there are any slip-ups with complying with the conditions of release, I'm not going to tolerate it, and I'm likely just to raise a bond, put her back in. I'm going to have a short leash, so to speak.
Wink is set to be transferred to the Stamford Courthouse Friday for her release. There she'll post bond and be fitted with a GPS ankle monitor. In Norwalk, Marissa Alter, News 12, Connecticut.
Marissa, thanks. And Wink and Lametta had a contentious relationship after Lametta allegedly stopped paying rent in September 2020. Wink was previously arrested after police say that she locked Lametta out of the home and threw out all his belongings.